earlier, my feeling that delegation means low-level activities. Delegation means low-level activities. Low-level activities. Okay. Next, the remaining things I require to do that. But from this series, what a wonderful thing. Each and every activity what I'm doing can be delegatable. Each and every activity what I'm doing can be delegatable, including my way of thinking also. Then automatically, so every time, is it possible to delegate? Is it possible to delegate? Yesterday, my admin asked me, sir, I want that website we require change, but we never take that much care about our website. Okay, that website we require to change. Can you please, the person we had a talk with the designer is going to come. Designer is going to come. Designer, first level, he want to talk with you like my admin asked. Single minute time also, I don't want to spend in that. Single minute also. Ask him, show the remaining businesses, how the people are going to do, like analyze. Otherwise, in our faculties, one person is there who has the strong idea, bring that person. Okay, sit with him and ask, this is the way we require to do that. Like, in what way you feel that it's the best, better to do that. Better to do that. Don't involve me in that process. I clearly told. Because my concentration, my time, I require to concentrate on higher level things. What is the need? Then you may ask, sir, then 100% perfection may not be. Based on your like, it may not be. Sir, simple. Either student purpose is going to be fulfilled or not. 80% of the things are going to be happen or not. Then I feel very happy. Without my present, without my involvement, one thing got established, right? Observe carefully. Build the systems. Build the processes. Okay? Those things are going to do automatically. Why we require to spend our time? My way of thinking, way of doing the things completely changing. Completely got changed. Because of these sessions. Who not have series and buy back your time.